Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna go over my favorite 5 watch faces for the Galaxy Watch Ultra so far that I've been using the most. But before I get into this video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I've been getting a lot of questions when I'm making the watch content. What kind of watch face is that? I just wanted to give y'all an update on my 5 favorite watch faces for the Galaxy Watch Ultra so far that I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. That might change in the future. I might find a different one, but these are the 5 that I use pretty much on a daily basis, or once a week, once a day. I might change it. They might have some more coming up, but these are the first 5 ones. This one right now is what they call Top Gun. And how you get the watch face, I have it here. Bam, Top Gun is the number 1. And you can customize it up here at the top. So if you click on it and then you customize it, you can change it. So if I'm wearing a different watch band, like if I had the blue one, I can change it to a different color. You can change what you want to track on here, like app shortcut. You can do many different things on here and change each watch face the way you want it. Right now, I haven't changed any of that. I left it all. The only thing I changed was to make it match the color of my watch band as close as possible. And that's Top Gun. But how you want to get to it, you bring up your Wear app and then you go to Google, more watch faces on Google, and you can find many different watches here. But the one that says top paid, you click on that, you click on here and say top free, and Top Gun is like the first one that pops up. If you can't find it, then you can just search it too. But that's where I get most of them. You can see another one down there too. So that's the first one I've been using. Another one of my favorite ones is this LIHT NES024. And I have it saved in orange up here. You click on it, you change it. Again, once you change it to it, you have different options. You can change it to different colors. You have different things that you want to track on there. But that's how this one looks. I think that one's a good one too. Another one is an oldie one here, is the MD170B. I don't think this one is actually free. I think that one's like $1 or so. But I have that one up here also. I've been using it somewhere. Where did it go? I think it's this one. So that is that one there. Another good watch face though. Then another one of my favorite ones is this LIHT NES044, which is very similar to the 024, but a whole different design. And then I have that one. That one's pretty cool too. Not bad. I like that one. If y'all have a favorite watch face, leave it in the comments. We can definitely share. There's other ones that you can pay for, which I might pay for some and show y'all that one too, but these are just all the free ones I can get. Now I'm going to save the best for last, which is the SciFi one right there. And I have it in orange again, just to match the watch face. It comes in green. Like, let's customize that one. So you can get in the green, which is that. Let's see if I save it. I did that one in a video before, but I can edit it. You can change it back to the orange. If I had the blue band, I can change it to blue to almost match the blue band there. Similar. But let's change it back to the orange. Oops. So that SciFi one is probably one of my favorite ones. Now there's also some apps in here that you have from Samsung that are pretty cool. I like all these informative ones I can use once in a while. The rugged looks pretty good, but those 5 right there, SciFi, Top Gun, Litness 024, and Litness 044, and the MD170B are the 5 favorite watch faces that I have been using so far. Again, if you have different ones, let me know in the comments. I will try to link it some kind of way, so that way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. But those are my 5 top favorite watch faces so far with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also the Fold 6 and the Flip 6. Also make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.